Hello and welcome to KLM Institute.
Microsoft has saved over $500 million by using artificial intelligence (AI) in its customer support and engineering work. This news comes just after Microsoft laid off over 9,000 employees, marking the third big round of job cuts in 2025. In total, Microsoft has now cut about 15,000 jobs this year. That's a huge number. The company is using AI tools to replace some tasks done by humans, especially with smaller clients. And guess what? This new strategy is already earning tens of millions of dollars in revenue. Microsoft is also using AI to write software code. Right now, 35% of all new code at Microsoft is being written by AI. This makes software development faster and cheaper for the company. But that's not all. In sales, Microsoft's Copilot AI tool is helping salespeople work better. With Copilot, sales teams are finding more customers, closing deals faster, and even making 9% more revenue. Microsoft is pushing hard to use AI everywhere, from software to sales to customer service. But at the same time, thousands of employees have lost their jobs. One Xbox executive, Matt Turnbull, shared a message on LinkedIn. He talked about how losing a job is very hard. He said AI tools like ChatGPT and Copilot can help people who have been laid off. These tools can help with writing resumes, finding new jobs, and making career plans. Turnbull said AI is not a replacement for humans, but it can be a support system when you feel low or confused. He said he's been testing how LLM tools like ChatGPT can reduce the emotional stress and mental burden that comes with job loss. But that LinkedIn post was later deleted. So while AI is saving money and increasing profits, it's also creating big changes in the workforce. Microsoft is one of many tech companies trying to find the balance between AI growth and human jobs. Let's see what happens next as AI continues to grow. Will other companies follow Microsoft's lead? Do you think AI is helping or hurting workers? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned for all latest updates right here at KLM Institute. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an important update.